Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a wonderful lesson. Really, you will enjoy listening this. I think the previous lesson also was making curry, the special dish called avial, the special dish of Kerala, right? Okay. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, bamboo curry. Okay. So this story tells about a family of Santhal tribe. Okay, this Santhal tribe is a major tribal group in Jharkhand, and we can find them in northeastern area like Assam, Tripura, even in West Bengal. Okay, we can find this people group spread over these states. Okay, just we'll go through the lesson. Okay. One day, the mother-in-law of a Santhal bridegroom cooked a special dish for him when he visited her. Okay, so one day a bridegroom means it's a newly married or engaged with the family members there, it's a girl. Okay, so now the bridegroom visited his mother-in-law. Usually what we do, if you're engaged or newly married, we used to have a couple of visits, more visits to the in-laws house. Okay, that is usual in every culture and area. Okay, so the same way this bridegroom also visited his mother-in-law house. So the mother-in-law made a delicious dish. Okay, so even to our house, if anybody comes, new guest or somebody comes, what we'll do, we will make special food, special dish for them. Okay, so the same way they made something special for him. Okay, this curry is delicious. So mother-in-law said, see, this curry is very delicious. What is it? The mother-in-law pointed it to at the bamboo door. So he asked, what is it? The bridegroom asked, what is it? So mother-in-law pointed the door and said, there is a bamboo door. Okay, made out of bamboo door. Next morning, just as he was about to leave, he remembered that there was no bamboo in his village. Okay, so next morning he stayed that night, and the morning he just planned to go back to his house. So immediately he remembered that in his village there is no bamboo tree. Okay, so what he did, so he removed the bamboo door and carrying it with him left for his home. So what he did, he just removed the door, because it is not a fixed door. Maybe it's a fixed door, but it is not very strongly fixed like our buildings and all. Okay, so their houses will be small hut type of houses. Okay, small houses, and the doors will be fixed with some kind of nail or something, some iron nails and all. Okay, so that is how they fix the door, and they will have iron hooks. So that will help them to fix the door on the wall or on any frames. Okay, wooden frames or bamboo frame like that. Okay, so morning he just removed it and carried to his village. On reaching his village, he told his wife, make curry with this bamboo door. So on reaching his house, he just told his wife, just make a curry with this bamboo door. She was shocked. How can I make curry out of a bamboo door? She was so much surprised and shocked. How can I make a curry with this bamboo door? Come, I'll help you chopping up the bamboo, he said. So the bridegroom said, I will help you. So he just chopped it as a small pieces. His wife boiled it. Later, when her husband tasted it, he said, it's too hard to eat. You don't know how to cook. So then, after cooking for long hours, okay, they boiled it. So the husband tasted it, and he found it that it is very hard to eat. So usually, how the bamboo wood will be, it will be very hard. We cannot even put in the mouth. We cannot bite it. It will be very hard. Okay. Then the boy said it is very hard and you don't know how to cook. His wife added more water and boiled it again. So it's still too hard, I can't eat. Then again the bridegroom said, see, now even after boiling for long hours, it is very hard, I cannot eat it up. Okay, the in-laws came to visit the young couple that evening. So this is a newly married couple. So the in-laws visited that evening, their house. They all laughed at his foolishness. See, after reaching here, so they already know that what is going to happen, because his mother-in-law knows it, because he carried yesterday, she gave this one bamboo curry, and this bridegroom carried the bamboo door. So she guessed that definitely something foolish is going to happen. So that evening they came there, and on seeing this, they were laughing at them, laughing at them, and they were making fun of them. We also used to do something, right? Sometimes we know some people are doing very foolish thing, and on finding it, we used to make fun of them, right? So the same way, this mother-in-law also laughed at them like anything. And did you know the curry was made from bamboo shoot and not from a bamboo door? Then finally, she said that secret, that how she made the curry. Because usually the bamboo curry is not made with the bamboo doors, it is from the bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot means very tender one, a young plant. Okay, very young and tender plant. So that will be very tender and very easy to cook and make it. Okay, so even if you go to big restaurants, you can find soup and all, bamboo soup and all. It is just for a startup they used to give. Okay, so that is how they made. This is a story of little fun story. Okay, I think the bamboo curry is made out of bamboo shoot, not out of bamboo door, because bamboo door is very hard. Even people used to make hut, many shed and all with the help of this bamboo sticks. Okay, you got it? Okay, so you can go through the reading once again. Okay, just you do your reading. Okay, and you go through this video, so you can understand the lesson very well. Okay, bye.